Hi, we are going to introduce our two new features added in GeoGenius. Okay, the one is for a checkbox use already scraped data. Okay, if you just uncheck this data and run the software by selecting any campaign, then software will just go to Google and scrape all the data like iframes and things to do and place IDs, etc. Okay, and if you just checked this checkbox, then software will read directly from the scraper folder and navigate to Google site and create pages. Okay, I mean, if you just check this checkbox, then software will not scrape any suburb data from Google. Okay, it will just read from this scraper folder from here, okay, and put on Google site. And here we have another utility that is for scrape suburbs info, place ID and iframes, etc. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to put here the suburbs or locations with new line. Okay, so you just have to put here the suburbs. Okay, suppose I'm just putting 3 suburbs here. Okay, and here you have to put your keyword and here your GMB name. Okay, your Google My Business name. Okay, so when you just put these things, you have to hit this scrape data button. Okay, the software will navigate to Google and scrape all things, all data like info, things to do, place ID and iframes for these 3 suburbs and save them in the same folder, the scraper. Okay, so whenever you just want to run this utility separately, you have to put your suburbs or locations here and hit the scraper button. All information will be saved in a scraper folder. Okay, and the software, the flow of software is remain same. Okay, it will use the suburbs from your campaign you have saved. Okay, either you are saved with through a CSV file or through input data, the suburbs or locations for software flow will be used from a campaign. Okay, so here I have another feature, get all suburbs in folder. Suppose you want the list of all folder names, okay, that you have already scraped. Okay, so you just have to hit this button. Okay, a dialog box just showing you all the folder names, okay, all the suburbs that have been saved in the scraper. So here we have these folders here, and it's this dialog box is showing all the folder names here. So you can just copy from this dialog box and just okay, and you can just save in campaign by just putting here, and you have to put a keyword here with comma separation. Okay, so this is the new thing in GeoGenius. Thanks.